In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create background blur in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to soften busy visuals behind an element so your content stands out cleanly and looks professional. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into your project. Once you're in, open the specific design file you want to work on. Give it a quick moment to load so you can see your canvas and the right-hand properties panel clearly. Next, click to select the layout or the specific element where you want the background to appear blurred. This could be a frame, a card, a header bar, or a shape placed over a photo or a busy section of your design. The key idea is that the blur effect will help separate content, add depth, and create a polished, glass-like look when applied thoughtfully. With that element selected, look to the right-hand side properties panel and click Fill. This is where you control how your selected element looks. Here, you'll see options that let you adjust visual treatments. Find the blur control and open it. You'll be able to adjust the amount of blur using a slider or by entering a value. As you increase the blur, the background visible through your selected element will become softer and more diffused. As you decrease it, more detail will come back into focus. Start with a subtle amount so your text and icons remain legible and the layout feels balanced. Then fine-tune the value while looking at your design at 100% zoom for the most accurate preview. If you're working over photography, try a slightly higher blur to calm busy textures. Over solid colors or gradients, a lighter blur usually looks cleaner. If you don't see much change, make sure the selected element sits in front of the content you want to blur and that the fill is active. A quick tip for consistency. Once you find a blur strength that fits your visual style, jot down the value and reuse it across similar components like cards, modals, and navigation bars. This keeps your interface cohesive. You can also toggle the visibility of your element on and off to compare before and after, ensuring the blur enhances clarity rather than hiding important details. When you're happy with the look, you're done. You've created a smooth background blur that elevates your design, draws attention to key content, and adds a modern, refined finish. Thanks for watching, and enjoy applying this effect to bring focus and polish to your Figma projects.